In this video, you'll learn how to find attachments in Gmail quickly and efficiently so you don't have to scroll endlessly through your inbox trying to remember where that important file went. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail in your web browser or through the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address. It's easy to be in the wrong inbox and think something is missing when it's actually in another account. Once Gmail is open, focus on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is the same bar you normally use to search for emails by name, subject, or keywords. You can also use it to filter your messages in more powerful ways. To see only the emails that contain attachments, click into that search bar and type the phrase "has attachment." There are no spaces in the middle, just the word "has," a colon, and then the word "attachment." After you've typed "has" attachment into the search bar, press enter on your keyboard or tap the search icon if you're on a mobile device. Gmail will now scan your account and filter your inbox as well as other folders to show only emails that include at least one attachment. This can be any kind of file: documents, PDFs, images, audio files, or other formats that have been sent to you or that you've sent yourself. You'll notice that the list of emails on your screen changes immediately. Instead of seeing every message, you're now seeing only the ones that contain attachments. Take a moment to browse through this filtered list. You can scroll up and down just like you normally would. Look for subject lines, senders, or dates that seem familiar if you're searching for something specific. As you go through the results, you might notice small icons indicating the type of attachment, such as a paperclip symbol or a file preview, depending on your device and settings. These can help you quickly identify which messages are more likely to contain the file you're looking for. When you see an email that looks promising, click or tap on it to open it. Inside, you'll find the attachments usually displayed near the bottom of the message or just under the subject line. From there, you can open, download, or save the file to your device or cloud storage. If you have a lot of emails with attachments and the list still feels long, you can combine this search with other terms. For example, you can keep "has attachment" in the search bar and then add a name, a keyword from the subject line, or even a file type like PDF. Just make sure you don't remove the "has attachment" part, since that's what tells Gmail to only show messages with files attached. To recap as you wrap up, open Gmail, click on the search bar, type "has attachment," press enter, and then browse through the filtered list of emails. With this simple search trick, finding attachments in Gmail becomes much faster and more organized, especially when you're dealing with a busy inbox.